Kiddos, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Chris, and if you're new, welcome. I am back to Ecuador. I was in Florida. For those of you that did not know, I was in Florida for 15 days. I brought the baby with me to visit Florida for the first time, and we had a good time. It was hard to leave, but I did miss this one and my other two kids. So, but it was an amazing trip, and I want to fill you guys in on what we did. And I did a little bit of vlogging, not much, because I was really busy. And I did do some shopping, although this one didn't want me buying too much makeup. I did not go to Ulta because I knew I would have spent everything in there because I went crazy in Walmart. So anyway, I'm going to do separate videos showing you guys what I got and do like a little bit of vlogging for you guys. And I may even do a vlog talking about my experience of going back to Florida after 4.5 years, because that's where I was born. But also in this video, we got sent a gift from Jord Watches. Yeah, we have the baby here with us. Jord Watches was nice enough to send us a gift, and I have seen it. He has not. The watch is for him. I chose either to be for me or for him, and I chose for him because he is very much into watches. And this one is so unique that I really fell in love with it. So he's going to go ahead and talk to you about it. He has not seen it yet.
Well, first of all, hello.
Tony, you all know.
That's me, Tony. The packing off the chain, by the way. Yeah. You got it on the money list.
It came in a bigger box. I could not bring the big box because it was big. It came very nice. They made sure that the watch was not going to move or get ruined. So I like that a lot.
Let's first take off what we have to ship to the side. So we don't have that many boxes here.
It's empty.
All right. Let's see. First, the pen. It says Jord Preserve Natural Oil. I'm assuming this is to maintain the fresh appearance of the wood. Got the Jord rag as well. The box though.
The box is in itself a gift.
You can tell that put some work in it though.
And the person that I worked with in customer service, I'm not going to use his name because I don't know if that's okay, but he was amazing because I should have had this video done and I did not have it done because of the trip and everything. He was amazing. They have wonderful customer service, and I'm just thrilled that, you know, he chose to give us a watch to review.
Found the purpose of the drawer.
There's the purpose.
All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, magnetic box.
Yeah, I've already played with them.
How about that?
It's beautiful. They're wooden watches. I think they have them engraved. They have women's watches, men's watches. They do customized sizing, and we are actually going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to leave all the information for the Jord watch giveaway. I'm going to leave all the information down in the description below. Make sure that you enter the giveaway because these are amazing watches, and you really would want to enter. They are amazing. They're very unique.
You even went all the way with the pillow thing.
And it comes like in the back. What is that? Like a little, what was that? A sleeve too or something?
Yes.
Okay. Also, we're going to leave, I'm going to leave my customized link for $25 off. I'm going to leave that down in the description below. That's an immediate $25 off using my code kickingitwithkriss. And I'll also leave that down below in the description.
There's nothing more elegant and sexier than a tatted up man with a fancy looking watch.
The watch is beautiful. I think I may have...
I haven't even taken out the plastics on it though. The clock haven't even started kicking in because I still have the lock and that goes on the side before it kicks in the battery. It's beautiful. Let's see what else we got here though. Jord is a company, a new company that started in 2015 out of London. I did educate myself a little bit before I got here.
And this is the Hide series.
Yeah, Hide series.
It just comes with a little pamphlet. They have different types of watches. Like I said, men's, women's, engraved. They have very unique watches. I've never seen watches like this before. They are amazing.
Very impressed. 2013. There you go, 2013. Shows you how to maintain your watch, its water resistance, how to take care of it, how to operate the watch. I'm really loving the watch though.
Yeah, they
Comes
are.
with a little cleaning rags as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, gotta have that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I think I may have oversized it a little bit for him, but we can totally fix that. They do customized sizing. So you measure and you send them your size and they send it to you. And I think that that's awesome. And like I said, the customer service itself is amazing. So make sure that you enter that giveaway and you or use that code down below to get $25 off immediately.
This has to, it's 100%, it has to be 100% handmade. It's so perfect, literally.
It is, it's beautiful.
The bezel, everything. It's just kudos, Jord. Major kudos.
So he likes the watch, and
Definitely.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'm gonna be rocking it tomorrow, first thing in the morning.
If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway down in the description below. And I think he just found his new favorite toy. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and to tap that bell to be notified of future videos. Give me candy. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Muchos besos. Want to say bye?
Shout out to Jord Watches.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Can't thank you enough. Beautiful.
Bye.